Converting between iMessage, blue bubble and standard text message, green bubble on an iPhone involves toggling settings or ensuring specific conditions are met. So here is how to switch between them. So firstly, what are iMessage and text message? iMessage Blue, Apple Internet-based messaging service for communication between Apple devices, whereas text messages Green, standard SMS MMS sent over a cellular network. So in order to switch between them, all you have to do is go to the Settings app on your mobile device. Inside Settings, scroll down till the bottom and there you will get to see Apps option available there. Tap on the Apps. Inside Apps, scroll down and tap on the Messages option available there. Once you find the Messages, tap on it. Now inside Messages, toggle iMessage off. Now, all messages will now be sent as SMS, MMS, green bubble using your cellular network. If there is no Wi-Fi or mobile data, iMessages will automatically try to send as SMS as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.